All right, guys, welcome back. Good morning. I'm just going to be waiting for a couple more members to join in. If you're watching us for the first time, welcome. Make yourself at home. Today is Wednesday already, Wednesday, August 28th. Crazy how time flies. We're going to be covering gold. We're going to take a look and see what opportunities we see. We have like some orange folder US news at 10:30, but nothing major, which is great. Yeah. So I'm just going to update something here in the video settings, and then we should be good to go for our live stream. How are you guys doing? Let me know in the chat as we wait for a couple more people to join in. Also, make sure you give it a thumbs up if you enjoy these types of videos and live streams. I really do appreciate each and every one of you guys. And as you know, our family's growing day by day, and I just wanted to thank you guys for coming here. So yeah, we're gonna get started shortly. Like I said, I'm just updating the video settings here, and then we're gonna get started with the live stream here. It's gonna be a little bit short today. I'm just gonna be giving you guys a quick analysis, and it's been, like I said, a little bit up and down with everything going on from a personal level in terms of everything really that's going on right now. So I just wanted to kind of keep you guys in the loop as to what's going on, like lots of stuff going on in terms of like personal life. So I just wanted to kind of keep you guys updated. Obviously, as you guys know, we're expecting our baby, so it's lots going on. So, but I'm here for you guys regardless of the fact. So I just wanted to kind of keep you guys in the loop as to what's going on. Definitely gold is looking like sells for today. That's just kind of the overall outlook today that I see on gold. Yeah, outlook is kind of sells on gold for today. We're gonna have to wait and see what happens. We got Abysalim, are you starting trading live? Yep, so we do the live streams every single day, Monday through Friday. Every single day we're here. But like I said, today's going to be a little bit short and sweet just because I have an appointment coming up. So like I said, I won't be able to stay like I usually like to stay. However, I just wanted to kind of keep you guys in the loop, just so you guys know what's going on. At least also update you guys with what I see in the markets for gold, okay? But yeah, welcome everyone. I'm excited to have you all here. Hope you guys are doing well. Let's take a look at gold and see what's happening. So let's kind of like mark off our levels and just do a nice top-down analysis here on gold, and yeah, we'll go from there. So before we do that, we're just going to do our live here as well on our Instagram channel. How are you guys doing? Let me know in the chat. Hope you guys are doing well. Okay, so let's take a look at here on the 4-hour time frame. I'm gonna just clear the charts just so we start fresh. I always like to keep things nice and clean personally. So let's just take a look and see here. Stay on page. And again, this is gold. Reduce settings here. We're going to remove the watermark because I just want to keep it that way. Just keep it clean. Let's take a look at the daily and see what's going on with the daily. Obviously, as you guys can see, the daily is giving us a bit of a rejection to the downside here. Again, we could be looking at potential shorts here. Like we failed to create that new high here, or higher high at this point. So I do believe that we could be even coming down eventually down to these lows down here. So that's something that is a potential possibility. Not only that, we did tap into this daily order block as well, but we could see some sort of retracement. We've kind of failed to create new highs here, so it seems like the market is kind of struggling a bit to push the upside. We saw massive rejections here, and if we actually look where we're currently at right now, it's looking like it's forming some sort of a double top, and it seems like this 4 hours is pushing down lower here. Now, where could we potentially see gold come down to? I mean, definitely we could see it potentially come down to these lows. I'm not saying it's going to pull back all the way down here, but that is still a probability that could be the case. Even if we come down like this would be kind of the ideal sweet spot where I could see a massive range, a massive amount of room to the downside. I'm not saying it's going to happen right now, like in one day, but we can definitely anticipate that most likely the market will give us a nice retest of this area, and then we should see a nice continuation back down. I'm not saying it's going to go all the way down, but at least my target main area is here, okay? Welcome everyone, welcome to all of our members that are just joining us here for the first time. Deepak, Abdi, FX Rock, welcome guys, happy to have you guys here. Make sure you guys drop a fire emoji in the chat. Also, make sure you guys give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the family, make sure you subscribe below. Also, trust me, you don't want to miss on the all the content that we come out with. But yeah, that's kind of what I'm seeing here for my main levels. I don't really see anything else that is significant to me or that catches my attention. We are quite bearish on gold as of right now. I mean, 4 hour, we're still technically bullish, but in my eyes, to be honest, we're just kind of in this consolidation range. So, you know, I would just say just maybe target the lows of this range. When it comes to the 1 hour, we do want to look at kind of my main areas here. And we can notice here on the 1 hour that, you know, this is kind of an area of structure that I do want to keep my eyes on, which obviously gold, when I woke up, it was already rejecting here at this area. So that's kind of an area that I do want to keep my eyes on. And currently where it rejected was great. I don't know where else the market would want to. I just want to see if it's going to pull back here, but we've got a 1 hour key level here and a 4 hour key level, which I do want to highlight this. Let's go. We got Deidriza. Let's go. Gold 2480. We got Shadane active. Let's go. We got my man Deidriza, gold 2480. Let's see here. Yeah, I could definitely see that, and I think that's kind of my target area. I could definitely see gold coming into that area that I have marked off, as you guys could see. I've got this area marked off here at 2481. I think it could come down a little bit lower. It's within that liquidity area that I do think that gold could go down to. But again, right, I just kind of want to mark off my main areas first. And then if we actually look, everything else is looking pretty good here for shorts. The only thing I would say, chat, that I want to be careful here is I want to see the market give me some sort of a potential retracement here. Let me actually go back up to the 1 hour here, because there is... Yeah, so this here is a nice 1 hour area structure here. I want to keep my eyes on them there. And then also this area over here as well too. Just gonna keep my eyes on those two main areas here. Other than that, probably gonna be looking at shorting gold around this area here, chat. So I'd say just wait for the market to come around this zone here. Let's see what happens though. I'm not saying that's the case, but this is what I'm thinking. It's what I'm looking at so far. Let's go. We got BRG for us, long time. Yes, my man. Welcome, Chica. Let's go. Tuning in from Thailand. Let's go. Let's go. I love it. What's the time frame? So right now, that's the 5 minute, my man. So what I'm going to do here, chat, is I'm actually going to set an alert here at 2502. I'm going to set an alert here for short positions. I'm going to actually keep my VIP members updated with this. I just want to see what we're working with here, because it's not that huge, but we still want to see there's 2 zones here potentially. I want to see how the market reacts. If anything, I'll do 25 pips because it's gold. With gold, you have to kind of be careful here. But that's if we get a pullback, right? Like, we need to see what the market's going to give us here. If we get the pullback, then we can look for short positions. Welcome everyone here that's tuning in from Instagram, from YouTube. We got Karamit. What's going on, my man? Welcome. Welcome, guys. If you guys have any questions as well, don't be shy to ask away, right? Take advantage that I'm live right now. And also, if you guys are new or just following me for the first time, welcome to La Familia. I'm excited to have you here. All right. Also, if you guys want to see my charts, I am sharing my charts on my YouTube channel, so you guys can see right here. And you can see, obviously, we're live right now on my YouTube channel, PedroFX, right? And you can find me by searching just PedroFX, or you could do official PedroFX, which is my YouTube handle, and you can find me through there. All right. Also, if you're new to the family, make sure you're subscribed below. Okay. Make sure you hit that little subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you never miss any single piece of content, all right? Okay, so this is really what I'm seeing, chat. Like I said, I don't want to, I don't want to really focus on anything else other than this. Really, I don't want to, don't really want to focus on anything else. The only thing that kind of I would like is at least if we get a break below this area here. The only reason why I say that is because we are at this 1 hour OB. So, the market could be, I'd like to see ideally a closure below this low. The market could see a reaction from this area here. So we're kind of within this zone here, and this is something that I want to be careful with. We could see a reaction up, right? So I don't want to be selling at the bottom here. I want to be selling at the highest point possible, right? So that would just be my only concern. But other than that, everything else is looking pretty solid for shorts. I just want to wait. Usually I like to always wait till after 8:30. Let the market do what it has to do first. Get some more volume kick in. What is better, ICT or smart money or technical analysis? I like to just stick with technicals, man. Like, I just focus on like price action. I just focus on price action, really. Areas of supply and demand, that's all you really need. You don't need much else, really. But again, I wouldn't recommend just overcomplicating things. For some people it works if you do like SMC and stuff like that, but for me personally, I like to just focus on major areas of structure. Yeah, so that is a very common issue, right? A lot of people learn different strategies and they feel lost and they don't know which one to stick with. And I find that that's the problem, is like you find yourself kind of feeling lost, right? Best advice is just find one that you like and stick with it. Okay, I want to explain something here, guys. If gold happens to continue to break down lower, that's fine. I'd like to see a closure below this low here. If we happen to actually close below this low here, chat, then this is going to be pretty good. What I'd like to see, if we can get a closure below this low, wait for the market to retest, and then we could short it, like I said, all the way down here, to be honest. It would be quite a bearish move. However, it's just, it's what I see here. It's pretty clean, right? Like that 15 just closed right now. That's a nice and bearish 15-minute closure. if this 15 happens to close nicely, or if let's say it just pulls back, but it happens to close nicely below this area, ideally I would have liked it to close very like a little bit lower below this area, but it didn't. So let's see what happens here. There's no top wick here. Most likely we're going to get some sort of a retracement unless this one closes bearish, and then we can continue to go further. Cautious about trading counter trend because kind of gold and then users always cooking long term. So what helps you take short positions instead of avoiding them? To be honest with you, it really just comes down to areas, right? So if you look at, for example, like the 4 hour here, right? We understand that we are still technically bullish, right? However, if we look at it from the 1 hour perspective, we are still bearish here on the 1 hour. Why? Because we had a break here up below this low here, right? Because it was bullish, 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 bearish, bullish, right? And then market broke, right? And then market pulled back and then broke the second time. We had a double top form here. To me, one of the biggest things is this closure here, because like I told you guys not too long ago, I said this looks like a 1 hour OB, right? So I have to be careful within this zone here. That's why I'm not like, it could look great, it could look like it's pulling back. However, this is a lot more riskier for me, right? So I have to wait patiently and wait for the market to give me a strong closure, at least below this low here at around like 24.94. Once we get a strong closure, then that gives me an indication that, hey, you know what, like there's not enough bulls in the market to push price back up, right? Or there's a higher probability it won't, right? And then if that's the case, then perfect, right? Now we just look for a sell continuation, and then most likely that means price wants to just come back down to this this area of the market over here, which could be a lot of liquidity around that zone before the market continues to go higher. Not only that, if you realize that we're kind of in this sideways range, yes, we have been trending to the upside. However, it seems like the market's just kind of within this sideways range, similar to what happened here, where the market was pushing up. We were creating higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and then the market started kind of ranging, pulled back. Then what did the market do? Come back up to these highs. And what happened? Then it grabbed deeper liquidity, right? It even surpassed this previous low, right? Grabbed deeper liquidity, tapped into this zone here, right? Within this kind of range area here, and then we saw a massive push up. So I think that that's kind of like the similar scenario that we could see here with this. The market, you know, has tapped into this zone here already once, but most likely there's a higher probability the market wants to grab deeper liquidity before it ends up pushing to the upside, okay? Again, that's just like looking at it from a hypothetical standpoint, right? Yeah, we're looking at gold right now on my YouTube channel, guys. So if you guys haven't followed me on my YouTube, go follow me right now. It's official PedroFX. Okay, you guys can go follow me on there, and you can see my charts that I'm sharing right now, because we are live right now. We got another question here. It says from Colseen, Pedro, how do I become your student? Just send me a DM, my man. Like, I have different programs. So I have my VIP Inner Circle, which a lot of my VIP students, it's a nice little community that we have there, where you can ask questions, you can, you know, get access to me and stuff like that. And then I have my one-on-one. So it really just depends what you like. If you want to work one-on-one with me, then just send me a DM. I'll send you a couple questions just to see if you do qualify. Spots are usually pretty limited for one-on-ones, because you do actually spend one-on-one time with me. But if you are interested in just being a part of my community and kind of seeing what trades I take and trade with me and my students, then that would be more like my VIP Inner Circle. And you can join in my VIP Inner Circle, the link in my bio, or the link in video description below. Okay. It's just answering one question there. So yeah, that's really it. I'd like to see, personally, I'd like to see how the 15-minute closes. If this 15-minute closes back in, then I'm not looking to short at this point. If it closes back in within this area, I might be looking to long it back up on this pullback, because it's still some decent pips. So if we were to actually close back in, I'd like to see the market close back in like this, retest this zone, and then I target maybe these highs up here, or even this high here, right? So this could be definitely a possibility, and we have quite a decent range, right? Like that would be 50 pips, and then here would be about 89 pips, so 90 pips. So I might be looking to long it as well too. So I don't have an overall bias just yet, just because the market's kind of a little bit, you know, But we'll have to wait and see, all right? I'll keep you guys updated. I'll let my members know if I see anything that really catches my eye, and we'll kind of go from there. All right, guys, that is all I have for this morning. I will keep you guys in the loop, and then we'll kind of go from there. All right, most likely we might be doing a live later tonight during Asian session. Again, the best way of knowing when I'm live, make sure you're not just subscribed, make sure you're subscribed and you have the little bell icon and you have your notifications active. That is the best way to get a hold of me, right? Same thing with Instagram. If you guys are following me on Instagram, make sure that you guys go to my profile, and on the top right-hand corner, you're gonna see a little bell icon. Click on that bell icon on my profile and click all notifications so you never miss any of these lives when I'm live, and any content that I really pull out, to be honest. All right, guys, thank you so much. Like I said, I do have an appointment going on here with my wife. We've got a lot going on with our baby. So yeah, just really do appreciate your patience and stuff. But I'm here. I'm showing up every single day. We're doing the live streams. We're showing up. And as you guys know, if you follow me on Instagram, I post 3 reels every single day consistently. So I really appreciate the love, really appreciate the support. You guys are awesome. Every time I come on live or every time I'm sharing a reel, I really appreciate when you guys like it, when you guys share it, and just, you know, all the love and support that you guys show. I really do appreciate it because it does make a massive difference. All right, guys, thank you so much. God bless you guys, and I'll see you guys later today. Bye for now.